Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, September the 4th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Almost blew that. At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you can join us today. It is Labor Day weekend for most of us here in North America. And for those of us in Canada, that pretty much marks the end of summer and the beginning of a new school year. So we're going to talk a little bit about the new school year and, you know, basically the hell that's going to be presented to my colleagues. Well, my ex-colleagues, I guess, since I have been retired for 10 years from the teaching profession. But nevertheless, I have some thoughts about that. And we have some thoughts about many other things as well. And I am sure you do too. So join the conversation. And yeah, we hope to see you later today, Sunday, September the 4th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.